I'm going to harvest collard greens and oranges for our lunch. I need a basket. Look at those beautiful flowers. Spring flowers. But for now we are going to, we have flowers here too. Let's harvest some of these collard greens so we can use the space for the tomatoes. We still have seedlings, tomato seedlings to plant. Here's my collard greens harvest. Now let's get some oranges. We have the oranges here. I'll probably get three. Three should be more than enough when like you slice them. Oh, look at the grapes. Oh, what happened to this one? So here are the grapes. Look at all those like fruits or like flowers. There are flowers, and then they're going to turn into fruits. But I'm here to harvest some of these like oranges. Look at these oranges. So this one is ready, and then there's another one there. And then there are tiny fruits again. So these are the oranges, and I'll probably add and this is yuzu. Look at the yuzu. I'll probably add kale and red vein sorrel. These are kale, and then next to it are the red vein sorrel. So the red vein sorrel, I leave them here. They've been here for about 2 to 3 years now. So I'm going to harvest some of those. Look at how pretty. You see that? And then so I'm going to harvest that, and then so this will be our greens for our brunch or like lunch. And these are the kale. Then after lunch we are going to do some gardening, and then later I need to finish some work. You see how pretty. Look at them. So there is this red vein sorrel, and also there is a French sorrel. I usually use this like red bean sorrel for like sauteing. And these vegetables might have some aphids, especially the collard greens and maybe this kale too. So I am going to prepare them here so I don't bring the aphids inside the house. So I have like water here since we have a lot of indoor plants. So I'm going to cut them from here and then put in water. Like that. Let's see, for example, this one has some white thing. So they die in the water instead of moving to our indoor plants. Like that. Now I can bring them inside the house. And here are my harvests: the collard greens, the red vein sorrel, and then the kale, and then these oranges. I'm going to saute this, and I'm going to prepare the sausage, the chicken sausage, and then the eggs. So that'll be our lunch. And then on the other side, I'm going to cook the sausage. So I'm using this garlic butter on these vegetables. So this is the seasoning. Very easy to prepare. Just sauteing the vegetable one that away. And this is ready. Sauteed leafy greens from the garden. And the oranges from the garden. I'll probably get one more. It smells so good. Let's get one more. Which one is ready? Oh, look at the nasturtiums. Beautiful. Oh, maybe this one is hiding. Let's harvest this one. Nasturtiums are very pretty. I am grilling the sausages. Almost ready. And I am making mimosa. So just half of this like champagne and then orange juice. So let's make this one first. Let's do champagne first. This is just like leftover champagne. Oh, look at the hummingbird. I don't know if you can see the hummingbird. And then orange juice. And then just orange juice for Josh. And here's our Sunday brunch. We have sausages, strawberries, eggs, and then vegetables from the garden, oranges from the garden, and then I made mimosa with leftover champagne and then orange juice. And then Josh is having orange juice, and the flowers are also from here. What do you compare? Daddy. I'm waiting for Daddy. Huh? Thank you, Baba. Oh, thank you so very much, Bichi.